In Florida, we just want to let you know that you could drink water from the tap. It's totally drinkable. But in case you're a bit worried about it, we do offer filtered water. It is a bit hidden. That's why we like to show you here. It's over here. And because there's water being fed in the fridge, here in the freezer, you've got ice. If ever it's not making ice, just make sure it's in the on position over here with this switch, and then enjoy it, because trust me, it's the summer here right now. When it's hot in Florida, you want your ice.